There is a status of the CBI director has been given to an extent for the purpose of change from CBC was selecting the CBI director earlier. Now, under this bill, it was thought that we have to give the selection should be by a committee headed by the Honorable Prime Minister. Therefore, sir, the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Leader of the Opposition Lok Sabha, and the Chief Justice or its nominee, 3 members will select the CBI director. Then, sir, we agree that citizen charter will form part of the Lokpal. Therefore, sir, we have decided, it has been decided that the final court of appeal under section 49 will be dealt with by the Lokpal whenever there is any corruption issue involved, and that will be the final appeal for Lokpal that has been given to the Lokpal, sir. Because there is a timeline has been mentioned for the purpose of inquiry, investigation, and also prosecution. As far as the inquiry is concerned, sir, initially 3 months, and another 3 months extension can be given by Lokpal for the purpose of inquiry. As far as prosecution is concerned, the investigation is concerned, investigation initially it will be for 6 months and extendable by another 6 months, because the CBI has been saying, and there is also demand from the Lok Sabha when the members were speaking on the subject, that letter authorities to be sent to other countries to get the information. Therefore, the Lokpal can extend the time further for such kind of investigation. As far as the prosecution is concerned, minimum timeline is 1 year, extendable to another 1 year. Because to make it a Lokpal strong and effective, the decision has been taken that instead of maximum punishment, instead of 7 years, it has been put here as 10 years. This has been given.
Thank you.
This is the salient feature, sir, which has been given. Sir, I would like to submit about the legislation making process of the Parliament has been questioned. Because that issue has been debated and deliberated, and some amendments also have come. I would like to submit to this August House that, sir, as far as the legislative competence of this House is concerned, and the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is concerned, bringing a bill for Lok Sabha and Lok Ayukta, I would like to submit to this August House with my humility. This is the sense of the House. The House clearly mentioned that Lok Ayukta in line with Lokpal. Because therefore, sir, the Lok Ayukta also forms part of the Lokpal as far as the sense of the House is concerned. Secondly, sir, the legislative competence I would like to deliberate upon it very, very briefly. Sir, in the concurrent list of the Constitution, that is list 3, the entries 1 and 2 and 11A clearly mentioned that as far as the criminal jurisprudence is concerned, the central government has got powers to bring a legislation for the center and the states. Lok Ayukta.
Just be patient, he's concluding. Thank you. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Therefore, the legislative competence is concerned, I would like to submit, because the deliberations were going on, discussions were going on, whether Article 252 apply or Article 253 apply. According to me, sir, the Article 253 is the ample provision for the purpose of passing a list under the concurrent list and also under the Constitution, because India became signatory to the...
Please. Allow the Honourable Minister to
time come, you can speak. Sir,
you wish to conclude?
Under Article 253...
Please.
Under Article 253 of the Constitution...
Just 1 minute, please.
Parliament...
Silence, please.
The Parliament has to make any law for the whole or any part of the territory of India for implementing any treaty, agreement or convention with any other country or countries, or any decision made at any international conference, association or other body. Sir, India became the signatory to the United Nations Convention Against Corruption. India became...
Please, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
India became member of the...
1 minute. The Honourable Minister, would you please conclude? Please conclude. Please conclude. Please, Dr. Maitriyan, please. Please, please, please.
सर ठीक है, अंडर
आपको भी समय मिलेगा, बैठ जाइए.
under Article 3 of the Convention of United Nations Convention Against Corruption, the convention shall apply
Please,
the
please,
prevention,
Dr. Maitryan.
investigation and prosecution of offences established in accordance with the convention. Having ratified the United Nations Conventions Against Corruption in May 2011, the Government of India is obligated to comply with the requirements of the above articles of Convention of Article 3. The provisions of Lokpal and Lok Ayukta 2011 is aimed at strengthening the instrumentalities of fulfilling these obligations.
Please, no, we are not discussing the subject. Please. No, Mr. Please. This is not a discussion.
Sir,
Just 1 minute, please.
sir,
Please, Dr. Maitryan, you will get your turn. No,
kindly, when
you will
speak,
get
you
your
can
turn to
speak. When you
speak, please.
speak, you can speak. When you are
Please.
not to speak. Sir, the Honorable former Chief Justice of India, J.S. Verma,
please.
when he appeared,
Please.
when he gave evidence before the standing committee, he gave the